Okay, this is our 2007 Citroen Berlingo, which we converted to a very small camper, enough to fit 2 people in. So we have an awning for the car. It's quite simple. We attach it to this rail on our awning. We have this kind of rail. It goes in. Super easy. Can I help you?
Yes, please.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
High five. What we have done, as you can see, there's no seat in the back anymore. We took it out. What we have now is a table which can be lowered down to make a bed. It can also be converted for an outside table. This goes in here. If you want to sit outside, you can use this. Just start at the kitchen. Here's a two burner stove, super nice. If there's wind, just put this on so we can cook safely, and we can also cook without any wind. The latest gadget we have is this cool sliding table. We run across some problems that we don't have any place to put your pans or some small dishes on when you're cooking. So I figured why not, and made this table. Okay, let's put this away. Just put it under the cushions. Next we have storage for clothes. You can just put some clothing here. We also got some utilities, some small stuff, of course biodegradable toilet paper, because we don't carry a toilet, and if you want to do it in the bush you really got to use biodegradable stuff. It's not only a place for storage, you can also use it when you're cooking, so you have 2 places to cut your stuff, and it's super easy, and you can also take it completely out if you want to clean it up. So on the side of the van we also got some more storage. Right now it's the place where I keep my clothes in, my drone and some stuff. Yeah, it's more than enough. Up. Like that. For cooking we also got some stuff, and we got it here. So here's all our stuff. Storage for cooking. And behind it there's the water tank. It's I think a 30 liters water tank. It's enough for 2 people. So down here's the water tank. It's I think at 30 liters, and it's easy to fill it up because you just slide the tank out, take off the cap, fill it up, and you're ready to go. What we also got in the back is a tap for running water. We also got an inverter for power. Our refrigerator, which is over there, we can just hook it up. This cord, which goes to the extra battery. We have 2 batteries in the car. If we want to make the bed, just put the table in here. There's a small board which goes over here, and then there's this big blue cushion. Goes here, and we just put the seats a little bit to the front, going like this, and then the magic happens. 1, and we have a bed. as you can see, it's not really cozy right now, and we also got a solution for that because we have curtains all around. It's pretty cool. We use the same curtains at home as we have in the van, so we feel a little bit more at home. More storage here on the side. First aid kit, some jackets and stuff. On the other side, some tools, fire extinguisher, and behind that for the spare wheel, of course, if you need to change the tire. And it goes back in here. We also installed some LED lights. There's one here, there's two on the back. We wanted something to not influence the car battery. Cool thing about these, if you take them off, then you have a nice torch for looking outside and around the car. It's super easy to have a small LED light. We also got them here because when we are cooking, it's nice to have a light down there. We have this cool bike rack for 2 bicycles. Super easy. Another feature we have. We can open the van from the inside. I figured if I want to go out from the back, I needed something to open it. So I attached the cable. It goes here. It goes to the inside. And then it ends up here. So if you just pull it, the back will open. It's super nice. So on the top of the van we have installed a roof rack. It's perfect for our subboard, and there's a rack on top of the rack because sometimes we take the surfboard and a roof box with us. But right now the sub is in the middle. It's pretty nice. You can just sit on the roof rack and you can just put anything on top of the car. So what we didn't film a few days ago was the tent we have, which we can attach to the awning. Check it out. When it rains like today, you need this. And what's nice about this is that the rain will not go under the awning. It's super chill. So that's about it. Our conversion of a 2007 Citroen Berlingo. We are now enjoying a nice holiday. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. If you want to know more, feel free to ask it in the comments. See you next time.